Well, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is when you're watching this. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I wanted to show you this book that my daughter got me for Christmas. Apparently, I had it on my wish list several years ago, um, and she found it and she bought it for me for my Christmas present. And what it is, it's a reference book of Grundig satellite radios. Grundig radios were very popular. I love all their radios. They were very good radios. Um, Back when the German company owned the business. And so I'm going to use this web page to show you some examples of what's in the book because anybody could do this. So that way I don't use the real book and show you pages they don't want you to see without buying the book. The, the book is 146 pages. It was published in 2012, so the newer models, if there were any after that, and there were, are not in here. And it lists it includes in the list a bunch of them. I have several of these. Many of them I wish I had. So let's just look inside. You can click here to read a sample. There it is. It's $20. And here's a listing of all the radios and the date that they came out. So this goes up to the Satellite 800, which I have. And that came out in 2000. I have the 500. I think I have the 700. And several of these other ones, 650. Anyway, let's go on. Lots of information and lots of pictures. That's what I like about it. Here's the first one, the Satellite 250. All kinds of information, weight, size. Built from 1964 to the end of 1966. Shortwave ranges. It was FM, medium wave, long wave, and shortwave. Some words about it. And there it is. I've never had one of these. I've never even seen one of these, except in pictures. I would love to have one. It's a monster portable radio. I love the dial here and the S meter. Oh, I'd love to have one of those. Oops. What's going on there? A computer, it took off and left me. There's some ads. Lots of information, lots of pictures. That's the thing that this has. It has lots of pictures. Now there's a radio I've got. I think is that the 500? Got that one. I'd like to have this one too. This one is very rare. And like I say, this is just samples of the book, which you can at your leisure go through this sample yourself by just going on to Amazon. That's it. So if you're into Grundig, this is a great reference for older Grundigs. Like I think it said up there it was through, what was it, 2000 or something? Let's see. It was through 2000, yep. Okay, get yourself one. I'm going to put this in my Amazon store. I really like it. And like I say, it's a great reference if you're into Grundig satellite radios. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.